This will probably be the last one for tonight. Another classic box break. 2 boxes of 2008 Upper Deck Heroes. 18 packs. A little bit better than the other box. I'm just going to shoot them in there, crazy looking contraption too. Jim Brown. Tony Iommi. Wow. Is that an insert? No, it's just a normal card. Carlson. Eli. Paul Hornig. Jackie Joyner Kersey. Maybe Lawrence Jackson. Lee Parker. I don't know, those are just normal cards. No inserts or anything. Oh, there we go, Michael Johnson. Another Jackie Joyner Kersey, full in suit. Felix Jones. Hey, Barry Sanders. And Billy Sims in the same pack. Gale Sayers. Steve Vai. Odd choices for a football pack. Rulon Gardner. Tom Morello. Colt Brennan. Tony Romo. That one feels thicker. Let's see what's in here. One of those white, thick inserts. I get a lot of those in packs. Hey, Bo Jackson. Michael Johnson. Ariel Manningham. God, Adrian Peterson. Yeah, that would have been a nice one to get in 2008. It could not be a Marshawn Lynch. Old school Elway. Oh, another Adrian Peterson. Those, just normal cards. I think he's number 1. Another Roland Gardner. I wonder if that's his rookie card, these ones. David Gerard, yeah, he needs a special artwork card. Rudy Blues. Sherrod Mendelville. Rainbow. Brett Favre. Oh, I guess, was he still playing back then? Yeah, 2008. Hey! There's a Marshawn Lynch. Joe Flacco. That's a rookie. Guess he was one of the rookies in 2008. Roger Craig, another guy who said Beast Mode should have got the ball in the Super Bowl. Chris Long, rookie. Matt Ryan, rookie. Other Tony Amy. Other Tom Morello. Starting to see some duplicates. There's 3 packs left. No, none of them are thick. Oh, a Dan Marino. Bo Jackson. Another Tom Morello. Another John Elway. Deshaun Jackson. Another Eli. Another Marion Barber. Too bad. One hits that. Congratulations. The end.